Yeah, it's that boy Kuronite. It's that boy Kuronite.
So I'm being quiet because now there's a guy sitting behind me. But I am headed to a place called, I don't remember what it's called. Anyways, it's famous for having all these waterfalls, 7 of them to be exact. And there's even a place at the bottom where you can soak in like a hot spring by one of the biggest waterfalls. So it's said to be a do not miss of Izu. So I am currently in Izukogen Station. I need to get on a limited express to go to the station. And I'm not sure I did it correct. I'm not very well versed with limited expresses and how they work. So I think I did it right. I bought a ticket to the station, and then I also bought a ticket for the limited express. I think that's all you have to do, but I guess we'll find out. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I did it right, but they let me through, so. But yeah, I'm headed to a place called KAWAZU 7 Waterfalls, and it is exactly what it sounds like. It has 7 waterfalls. I actually initially wasn't planning on going to it because for some reason it didn't sound that interesting to me, but upon like looking more into it, I realized I definitely need to do it. As I said yesterday, I'm playing hopscotch with the weather a bit. My train is coming. Today is really quite gloomy. I'm hoping it's gonna be less gloomy over where I'm going, but I don't know. It's actually, I mean, it's not chilly. It might be chilly for some people. I don't really get chilly, but I mean, I didn't pack a jacket, like nothing like that. So, but I think it'll be all right. Honestly, this kind of weather, yeah, it's not the best for filming, but I would take this weather over it being stupidly hot and humid any day because I cannot stand hot weather. I feel like when it's cooler like this, I can actually enjoy myself. Whereas if it was super duper hot, I would just be wanting to die the whole time. So really for me, I'm not too disappointed by this weather. I mean, it does kind of suck for filming, but you deal with what you gotta deal with. But I am so tired. I've been staying up really late watching Hoarders. Yes, I know. I like that kind of trash. So I like woke up this morning and I was just like, I'm not gonna even put makeup on. I mean, I put like some foundation mixed with sunscreen on and some mascara, but I could not be bothered because I figured I was gonna get probably sweaty today anyways, though now with this weather I'm not quite so sure. Oh, I love this tune. Oh, it stopped. Do you guys see how like much more radiant and just nice my skin looks now? Like this skincare is popping off. Let me tell you, this voice.
Please stand behind the line. Thank you.
I love the English recordings because sometimes they're really, really terrible. You may have noticed that that train looked different from the initial one that I showed you. That is because I missed the limited express because I am a severely anxious human being. I did not realize that I was standing at the green car section, so I panicked and didn't want to get on at the green car thing, which is stupid because I could have just walked through the train until I got to the non-green car, but those trains only stopped for like 5 seconds and it was over. But luckily there was actually another train on that same platform that was coming, and that train was super nice. So I don't even know why you would pay for the limited express. I don't know, but I'm here in Kazawa. I believe it's called Kazawa, like the actual station. It's so beautiful here, and that was such a beautiful ride. Okay, so I'm on the bus. You had to get like a little special bus ticket in order to get up here, but I kind of figured so much. It's about a 30-minute bus ride. I'm going up to the very top station, so see you guys there. have arrived to the inlet of the Seven Waterfalls. There are quite a few bus stops you can get off at. However, the lady suggested this one because I believe this one starts off at the top, and then from there you can kind of just walk down. I also heard that a lot of people like to stop at this one because there is a mighty staircase up towards this last waterfall, and people really don't appreciate that. So stop I stopped at, and then you just follow this all the way down. There are all kinds of different ones, and then this is going to be the station that I stop at. Go in here